Hello everyone, this is function-Boatman Technology Company Limited. In this video, I will tell you how to use our Fighter Series auto steering function. First, because the left or right joystick can be used as direction joystick. So use the direction joystick and then push the joystick up for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can hear beeps, and then the boat is auto steering now. And then we can use turn left or turn right to control the direction. If we want to stop it, just push the joystick down. It stops. Thanks for watching.